Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the game stoppable. Add a Boolean variable called GameRunning and set it true at green flag. Once done, attach a when this sprite clicked handler to a stop button sprite so you have a clear, user-controlled trigger. You do this now because changing a single variable is far simpler than editing many scripts. It centralizes control. Make sure the stop button is visible and labeled, and confirm for all sprites so every script can read that one flag. Now modify the active scripts. Change forever loops to check the game running variable frequently, or wrap long repeats with repeat until game running equals false so the loop can exit. You do this because polling the flag prevents abrupt state errors. Once you detect the false state, call stop this script, or, when appropriate, stop all to end the game cleanly. Make sure to also guard short event handlers so they return immediately if the flag is false, preventing lingering actions. Finally, wire the stop button to set game running to false and optionally broadcast a game over message to trigger end animations or score display. Once done, explicitly stop sounds, delete clones, and reset timers so nothing keeps running in the background. If the game still hangs, make sure every active script includes a check for the flag. A single missed forever loop is usually the culprit. Also confirm clones are deleted. Lingering clones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.